In downtown China, a machine malfunctioned and started throwing hot molten metal all over the factory as workers ran for safety, abandoning their post. I guess you can say they had the day off. A worker was working with a machine when it suddenly caught his shirt and tried pulling him into it. But luckily for him, his shirt got ripped apart, which prevented him from being drawn in, totally destroying the shirt. Molten steel burn at a temperature of over 1,000 degrees Celsius, and when machines containing this molten steel malfunctions, there are high tendency of them shooting up into the air and causing work hazards. This can also lead to the total disruption and destruction of the factory. That's why regular maintenance and service of these machines are important to prevent such occurrences, and adequate safety rules and regulations must be obeyed. In a textile factory in northern Taiwan, 2 factory workers were working. Then suddenly the leg of one of them got trapped in one of the products, which started to draw him into a machine. But luckily for him, his friend was quick enough to switch the machine off. Their manager immediately ran to help them out, and both men helped pull the other factory worker out of the machine, who was gripped in fear and thankful for his life. Inside a busy industrial plant, a forklift operator carefully lifted a load of scrap metal and tipped it into a blazing furnace, where the intense heat instantly began melting it down. Everything appeared routine, until without warning, the furnace reacted violently. Molten iron suddenly surged upward and spilled out, splashing over the edges in a fiery cascade that lit up the entire area. The eruption spread rapidly, with hot metal reaching the forklift and igniting parts of it almost instantly. The operator backed away as alarms sounded and workers rushed to respond, shutting down equipment and securing the scene. In a matter of seconds, a standard task had turned into a dangerous emergency, highlighting just how volatile and unforgiving these high-temperature operations can be.